Did you know a school bus driver single-handedly prevented the largest child trafficking operation in U.S. history? Mark Thompson noticed the same black SUV following his route for 3 straight weeks. Men were photographing bus stops and timing student pickups with military precision. When he reported it, his supervisor called him paranoid and threatened his job. But Mark couldn't ignore what he saw. 40 children rode his bus every day. He started documenting everything: license plates, faces, patterns. Late nights spent investigating while risking his career and reputation. The evidence revealed something horrifying: an organized ring planning mass abductions during upcoming field trips. They had inside information about school schedules and security gaps. Mark's choice was brutal: stay quiet and keep his job, or risk everything for children's safety. He chose the children. His evidence triggered FBI raids across 6 states, arresting 12 traffickers. The operation would have targeted hundreds of students during field trips. Mark became Transportation Safety Director and received federal recognition for preventing a nightmare.